Okay guys, so I am doing a quick video in regards to the Facebook flipping. So what I'm going to do now is show you exactly what I do to get viewers on the TikTok account. Now I've had this TikTok since last Thursday, so it's only been a week and I've got about 125 people already following me. I've had loads of views on my pictures that I get from this company. So I'm just going to flip the camera around and then you can watch me actually do what they tell you to exactly do in this faceless flipping. Okay, so bear with me while I flip the camera around. Okay, so I'm just about to show you exactly what I do with my TikTok. When you join up the Faceless Flipping, they give you all the details that you need to get to join the Faceless Flipping site. So I'm going to see if I can... There we go. All right, I'm just going to log in. See if it remembers me. So as you can see, it tells you exactly step 1, create blah blah blah, step 2, upload, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8, step 9, and that's it, 9 steps. So it's not very hard to follow, but once you've done that, then you go to the app that they tell you to download. Then they put all these pictures. So in order to download the pictures, what you got to do is click on a picture that you want. So I'm going to do this one for now. Up in the top right hand corner, there's 3 dots. You click on the 3 dots and you save image. Now you pick the images that you want. Choose the images that feel right, that flow right for you, and to make sure that you have the right context of what you want to do as your point of view. So now we've done this, you've downloaded all those pictures, so I'll just knock that up. I'm going to go to TikTok and I'm going to do this live in front of you. So I'm just showing you exactly how I'm going to do this. Okay, so I would choose this image first, then pick this image now, and then this image here. So it flows nicely to the elevators, and then you don't want any more than... You want something between 5 and 7. So, like 5 or 7 or 6. So it doesn't really matter. So you want to pick like some of the best pictures that you think would suit. So I'm going to go for like 6 pictures. And I think this picture here is going to be good. Then we go and click on next. Now, when it comes to add sound,
for just a second,
they would like you, they tell you which one to pick as well. So you want the badge and gun, which is a bit of a nostalgic sound. Then you click on add this. So I've already written this out, I've just copied and pasted it. But normally if I get stuck, I write something down, copy paste it, and then I put it in ChatGPT. So Twin Towers is 1983. Let's change this slightly. Work in the Twin Towers, where ambition fills the air, and every day the skyline reminds you of anything is impossible. It is impossible. It is possible. I'll have that like this. I'm going to make the writing a bit smaller. Now I'm going to show you something here. So if you hold it and pull it to the right, you can see over the right hand side, when I pull it away, pull it back, it tells you where your logo is, where the heart messages and all this is. If you pull it down, then you get all the people when they write comments, so you get all the comments, so you take it too high, it says following for you. So you need to pick a good place where people can see this, but without obstructing you too much. So you can have it, not too big, but big enough so people can read. So then, after you've done this is what people can do. Flip through the pictures and have a look and the memories of the Twin Towers. So after this, you click on next, and where it says description, make sure you download, which I've done here, the hashtags. So the hashtags is what's going to get your video noticed. So I'm going to upload this and I'm going to post. So here we go. So now it's just been uploaded. And then people can come and learn as well. So now I've just done this on TikTok, so you can see exactly what I've done here. The Neon Dream USA 80s. That's my actual page that people can see, and you can see here some of my my pictures has got over 5,000 views, so it's nearly 6,000 views there. This one's got 2,792. This one has 2,007. The one I've just posted got none at the moment, but give it about an hour or so, you'll find that will boost up. This, you get some that have like 2 views, some that have 0. So I'm testing on what time of day to actually post out. So the ones that have got the higher views are the ones that I posted first thing in the morning and last thing at night. The ones that have got the lower views are the ones that I posted throughout the day. So just showing you, what we do and how we do it. And this is what you have to do with the faceless flipping. I'm just going to turn my camera back round. So let me just come off this. So as you can see there, guys, it's very, very simple and very straightforward. What I've just shown you is exactly what I do. I use the ChatGPT, which is AI. I use the Faceless Flipping to create customers. I only started this last Thursday and I've got nearly 130 people already, friending me up and are following me. So if you can imagine doing this for a whole month, I've done it for a week and I've got nearly 130 people already following me. I've had over 5,000 views on one of my pictures. So you can see where the potential of this is going. Now, if you do decide to come on board, it's only 27 bucks. It's very simple to do. It's copy, paste, and then just type in. Just make sure that you choose very wisely on the pictures so they flow nicely, okay? There is other options in there as well, like the VIP and the whole done for you package where they do the whole thing. My good friend Paul Turner has just had it done. He's hit the 5,000 follower mark now. One of his videos has nearly hit 1 million or maybe over 1 million views as well. And that he's done it like a day before me. He went on board a day before me. He told me all about it on the day that I decided to join. And I've just stuck with the $27 one to start off with. I want to see how his one is going to do first before I jump on that level, which is I think it's the diamond level. Well, anyway, if this sounds like it's something for you and you're interested, then I suggest that you click on that link just below this video and we'll see you on the other side. What harm can it do? $27. It's nothing these days. So if you really want to try a business out, to try and get a TikTok shop, because people are making millions on these TikTok shops, okay? You get paid for TikTok shops, you get paid for the people viewing your actual images, you get paid for everything. Everything that is done in TikTok is happening, people liking your videos, and so on and so on. You can get paid to do loads of stuff. You get companies sending you stuff when this happens as well to sell, because you've got the influence of selling stuff online. So if this sounds like it's something for you, then $27, come on board and take a look. Just click that button down below and come and see for yourself. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the other side.